What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dominique Tikira and today we are going to do something just a bit different. As you saw from the title already, I'm going to be trying eyeshadow. I am not an eyeshadow person, not because I don't like eyeshadow, but mainly because I don't know how to do eyeshadow. So I'm going to be doing something very difficult, something I've never done before, and that is a smoky eye. But not only am I doing a smoky eye, I'm doing a smoky blue eye. I saw this tutorial on Kim Ventura's YouTube channel and fell in love because it looks bomb on her. And I hope I can replicate it to the best that I can. I already know this is probably not going to turn out the best, but we are hoping and praying and wishing for the best. So yeah, so we can just get started. So I'm gonna go ahead, I don't have any eye primer, right? But I am going to go ahead and just apply some of this concealer on my eye, and then I'm gonna dab it out with a sponge. Also, a quick disclaimer, please ignore my eyebrows. They need to be done ASAP. And yeah. Okay, so I already know I'm gonna make a mess of this eyeshadow. So, hopefully I have enough. But I am going to go ahead, I saw this on someone else's channel, but I'm going to go ahead and put tape right here. So we don't, just in case I go across, go past my eye, the tape will be there. I don't know why, but I'm kind of nervous because I don't do eyeshadow, and this should be pretty, this is gonna be pretty interesting. This is already hilarious. So the look, the palette I'm going to use is the Nubian 2 by Juvia's. I got this from Sephora. I've already swatched a couple of them. These are so pigmented, so a little goes a long way. I already primed the eyes, so first I am going to go in with Madagascar, and I'm going to use, which one? I'm gonna go in with Madagascar, and I'm going to use this Morphe M441 brush. I'm just gonna get a little bit. And I'm going to go in with this on my crease. Okay, let me get this a little closer because I don't know if you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Now we're real close, we're real personal now. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take Morocco, and I'm gonna put that, I believe, on top. Okay, so you can kind of see what's going on and what's happening here. Next, I'm going to take this little flat brush I have. I already dabbed some of the color in it. And we're gonna take Cleopatra, and we're gonna put that all over the eyelid. Y'all. I hope I'm doing this right, because, like, I don't know. It's a pretty color, though. This is such a pretty color. I just have no idea what I'm doing with this eyeshadow. Okay. I don't know how this gonna turn out. Yeah. But we're gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep going, and yeah. So I'm gonna go in again with Morocco with the same brush I was using before. I'm gonna just take a little bit of that, tap off the excess, and use it to blend out the edges of the blue. Okay. Gonna keep going. Next, the next thing I'm going to do is take this somewhat rounded brush, and I'm going to use it to take Egypt, which is this pretty, like, emerald green color down here, and go on my lower lash line with it. Hopefully this does not make me look like I have a black eye, because normally when I do shadows underneath my eye, they do. I don't know, maybe because I didn't do it a lot, but I'm afraid to put too much because, like I said, it makes me look like I have a legit black eye. I'm done. And I don't know how to feel about this. No. Eyeshadow just may not be for me, you know? You know how certain people can do eyeshadow? This is not the complete tutorial that I was shown, by the way. She also did eyeliner and put lashes on, but I'm not great at eyeliner. But however, I will finish my face and then I'll come back and let you guys see how it looks. So this is it. This is the little eye look. You know, I'm not half mad at it, you know, honestly. I don't think it looks too bad. If I knew how to do eyeliner and if I knew how to throw on a quick lash, this might, oh, speaking of lashes, go ahead and throw some Falsie mascara on. That actually helps. One of my eyes always looks more like voluminous than the other. Don't know why. I normally don't really touch my bottom lashes because I always mess up and get it on my, get too close. But anyway, yeah. So that is that look. Okay, so this is the look. I added some mascara and foundation and a little bit of bronzer, and that was it because I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about this initially. And I'm not really mad at it. It's not bad. You know, it's not half bad. I'll say so myself. I think I did a pretty good job for it to be my first time doing eyeshadow really. So I think it's not, you know, I just need some more practice. I think that's what it is. I need more practice, but for now, I'll just have other people doing my eyeshadow for me, or I'll just stick to my bronzer highlighter duo because I just feel like I don't know what I'm doing and it shows. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see me trying other looks in the near future because I do want to get into eyeshadow and more into makeup, and this is probably the only way I will, by forcing myself into it and just thrusting it, because otherwise I probably wouldn't even try, honestly. But yeah, yeah. Let's get a little. So that's it for this video. Let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to try other looks or try doing other things like lashes or eyeliner. That would be something because I definitely don't know how to do either of the two. And yeah, I'll struggle, but I'll try it if you want me to. So yeah, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.